Hi, Pro-Life Jen. Big news. As of Wednesday, September 1st, 2021, killing preborn children with beating hearts is no longer legal in Texas, thanks to the Texas Heartbeat Act. This is huge news. As you all know, in the pro-life movement, we fight every year, state by state, to pass laws to ban abortions, all abortions, some abortion procedures. And every time we get a victory, it seems like the abortion industry goes right to the courts to file an injunction to stop the law from taking effect. But this law, SB Senate Bill 8, the Texas Heartbeat Bill, did something a little different. And it's been huge because so far the Fifth Circuit of Appeals has denied emergency motion after emergency motion from the abortion industry to stop this law and to take effect. So what did they do differently in Texas? Because this is something we may all need to consider and implement across the country. This bill is different because the Texas Heartbeat Bill, which has now banned effectively all abortions in the state of Texas, says that individuals, you and I, can report anyone who's committing abortions, committing illegal abortions in the state of Texas, and we can sue them for ending unborn life. Instead of having the state be the responsible party for investigating and shutting down abortionists, you can do it. So it is time, Pro-Life Jen, to search out, sue, and shut down the abortion industry in Texas and hopefully throughout the rest of the country. This is epic news because, as you all may or may not know, a heart of a child begins to beat about 3 weeks of fetal age, about 20, 21 days after conception has occurred. This is just a little bit before the vast majority of women discover they are in fact pregnant, before they have that first missed period and they start going to Walgreens and Rite Aid and buying up all the pregnancy tests. So bills that ban, laws that ban abortions when a child's heart is beating, effectively ban all abortions from happening in the state. This is huge, huge news. The abortion industry has been fighting against the state of Texas since this Senate Bill 8 has taken effect, since it was voted and signed into law by the pro-life governor there. But so far, they've been unsuccessful in stopping the implementation of this law. I cannot overestimate the importance of this bill and what this means. Texas, despite it having a pro-life legislature, a pro-life governor, lieutenant governor, pro-life attorney general, to having great pro-life ministries and pregnancy resource centers and maternity homes, Texas is a pretty big abortion state. And for them to ban almost every single abortion state, there are going to be thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of lives saved. This is huge news. So I wanted to come to you first in our special How to Win series that we've just launched with the Explicitly Pro-Life podcast, because I wanted you to know exactly what's going on in Texas, why it's different from other states that have passed heartbeat bills, and hopefully we can take this information, take what we're learning, and apply it to states across the country, and the strategy spreads like wildfire. I have found it so interesting. The New York Times and the abortion industry, they've been having like webcasts and fundraising emails talking about how this bill is inspiring bounty hunters and vigilantes. I'm okay with those terms. I'm okay with those terms if the abortion industry wants to call me a vigilante or a bounty hunter or whatever. We are going to do whatever we can in the pro-life generation to end the violence of abortion. And if it means we have to search and find out what abortionists are still committing abortions, and personally sue those abortionists to stop them committing abortions, we will shut down the abortion industry. So I hope you will join us. Students for Life just launched a new website, studentsforlifeaction.org/uphold heartbeat ban, where you can go and get a whole packet on how to search, sue, and shut down abortion facilities if you reside in Texas. We're partnering with our good friends at Texas Right to Life on this project. We've got a list of the Texas abortion facilities, what you need to do to report abortionist who is committing abortion still illegally in Texas. So make sure you go to studentsforlifeaction.org/uphold heartbeat ban right away. Get your packet to search, sue, and shut down the abortion industry.